Now the next topic is oogenesis, that is formation of egg or formation of mature female gamete. What is the site of oogenesis? That is ovaries. The process of egg formation begins even before the birth of the female, and it is completed only after fertilization. At the time of birth of a female child, there are present millions of ovarian follicles in different developmental stages, but most of them, most of these follicles, they degenerate during the phase from birth to puberty. birth से लेके puberty attain करने तक बहुत सारे ये जो follicles हैं they degenerate. Therefore at puberty only 50,000 to 60,000 ovarian follicles are present in each ovary. At puberty, only 50,000 to 60,000 ovarian follicles, these ovarian follicles, they are retained in each ovary. The process of egg formation is divided into three phases. The first is the multiplication phase. Multiplication phase starts during fetal development. Certain cells in the germinal epithelium of the ovary, ये जो हमने बनाई थी, this certain cells in the germinal epithelium of the ovary, they are larger than the other and they also have a big nuclei. They undergo mitosis and they produce undifferentiated germ cells. These undifferentiated germ cells are called oogonia. These oogonia, they further undergo mitosis and they produce diploid cells in the stroma of ovary and they form a egg tube. Now, the cells of the egg tube later on they become a free mass in the stroma and they grow into or they become egg tube. Simply it becomes the egg nest. The cells in the egg nest they further continue to divide again mitotically and they become the primary oocyte. All these in the multiplication phase, the cells they are dividing by mitosis, and few cells in the germinal epithelium which were larger in size and which had a larger nucleus, they divide mitotically to form oogonia. Oogonia, they are undifferentiated cells which are diploid. They continue to divide by mitotically and they form a egg tube. Egg tube by dividing mitotic by undergoing mitotic divisions, it becomes the egg nest. One cell in the egg nest, it grows and it becomes primary oocyte. One cell in the egg nest, it grows and this becomes the primary oocyte. Now, one cell in the egg nest, it grows and it becomes the primary oocyte, and the remaining cells in this egg nest, they become the follicular or the Graafian cells. The primary oocyte remains in this primary oocyte, it remains in the prophase of meiosis 1 until just before ovulation. यानी ये आगे जाएगा लेकिन कौन सी स्टेज तक, ओव्यूलेशन तक कौन सी स्टेज में ही रहेगा, meiosis 1 तक. Now the second phase of the oogenesis is the growth phase. Growth phase is very long in females which may extend over many years, and during the growth phase the amount of cytoplasm increases in the cell and nucleus also enlarges. The third phase, is the maturation phase. In the maturation phase, the primary oocyte, it undergoes meiosis 1. Let us see the process. These were the cells of germinal epithelium. The cells of germinal epithelium, they undergo mitosis. They are undergoing mitosis and they are producing the diploid cells called oogonia, and these are also called egg mother cells. The cells, they are dividing mitotically and they are producing oogonia or the egg mother cells. And one cell in this, then these egg mother cells, they cluster to form a egg tube and then they become egg nest. One cell in the egg nest, it enlarges and it becomes the primary oocyte. This is the multiplication phase. This much is the multiplication phase. This is the growth phase. When the one cell, that is primary oocyte, it enlarges in the Graafian follicle or the egg nest. Now this primary oocyte, it undergoes meiosis 1, and it produces secondary oocyte and a polar body. In meiosis 1, the division of nucleus is equal. Nucleus तो पूरा equal divide हो जाएगा. Haploid, 2 haploid cells are produced as a result of meiosis 1, but these 2 daughter cells, they are highly unequal in size. The larger cell, it is secondary oocyte, और जो दूसरा cell है, that is called the first polar body. Division of nucleus is equal but division of cytoplasm is unequal. यानी जब ये प्राइमरी oocyte डिवाइड हुआ तो ये 23-23 हाफ ऑफ हैप्लॉइड जेनेटिक मटेरियल तो आ गया दोनों में. न्यूक्लियस इनके हैप्लॉइड हो गए. न्यूक्लियस की डिवीजन कंप्लीट थी, लेकिन इसका जो साइटोप्लाज्म था ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट साइटोप्लाज्म इज रिटेन्ड इन द सेकेंडरी oocyte. और जो ये पोलर बॉडी थी, इसको साइटोप्लाज्म कितना मिला? ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल अमाउंट ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म. ठीक है. सो दिस इज टोटली unequal division of cytoplasm. Meiosis 1 takes place, which is unequal division of cytoplasm. तो इसका पर्पस क्या है? हैप्लॉइड गैमीट्स बन जाए. तो नाउ दिस secondary oocyte, it starts undergoing second meiotic division. It undergoes meiosis 2, but this meiosis 2 is not complete. It is arrested at, ये जो secondary oocyte है, कहाँ पे जाके रुक जाएगा? At the metaphase stage, that is at metaphase 2. और आगे कब होगा meiosis 2 complete? Only after fertilization, that is when the sperm fertilizes this secondary oocyte. उसके बाद ही जो है meiosis 2 complete होगा. And after the completion of meiosis 2, this secondary oocyte is termed as ooted, and this is shown. This is the male and female pronuclei as fertilization has taken place. Meiosis 2 results in the formation of one ooted and one another. फिर से अनइक्वल साइटोप्लाज्म की डिवीजन हुई है, एक और बॉडी प्रोड्यूस हुई है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सेकेंड पोलर बॉडी. और ये जो फर्स्ट पोलर बॉडी थी, इट ऑल्सो अंडरगोज माइटोसिस टू प्रोड्यूस, इट ऑल्सो अंडरगोज meiosis 2 भी हम meiosis 2 कहेंगे, विच इज सिमिलर टू माइटोसिस, एंड इट प्रोड्यूसेस 2 more polar bodies. तो क्या हुआ? तो ये जो 3 पोलर बॉडीज हो गई, which will degenerate and only one functional ovum is formed. तो जब हमने spermatogenesis किया था, as a result of spermatogenesis, one spermatogonia, it has produced how many sperms? That is 4. Spermatogenesis में when वन स्पर्मेटोगोनिया या एक प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट से कितने फंक्शनल स्पर्म बने थे? 4। और 100 से कितने बने थे? 400। और यहाँ पे क्या है? इन oogenesis from one oogonia or from one primary oocyte, how many functional ovum are formed? That is only 1. 3 जो हैं degenerate हो जाएंगे. Let us revise quickly. The cells of the germinal epithelium, they undergo mitosis to produce oogonia. Oogonia, they form egg tube and egg nest. One cell in the egg nest enlarges and this becomes the primary oocyte. Primary oocyte undergoes meiosis 1. इनकम्प्लीट है ये अनइक्वल है साइटोप्लाज्म की डिवीजन इन meiosis 1. It produces a polar body and secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte undergoes meiosis 2, लेकिन it is arrested at metaphase stage. और मेटाफेज के बाद ये कब कंप्लीट होगा? meiosis 2 कब कंप्लीट होती है? ओनली आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन. And meiosis 2 results in the formation of a ooted and a second polar body. और उसके this first polar body, it also undergo meiosis 2 and it produces 2 more polar bodies. These three polar bodies, they degenerate and only one functional ovum is formed.